Hello, we're Varghese Summersett. We're more than a roster of attorneys without precedent. We are instruments forged in the crucible of trials. We've built a reputation for going the extra mile. We have specialists, experts, and authorities on the law. We push forward where others withdraw. We are hope for the hopeless, a voice for the voiceless, righting wrongs, ensuring rights, and balancing the scales of justice. Courtrooms are the coliseums built for our battles. Trust us. We're gunslingers, firing silver bullets of truth. We're Fort Knox, where evidence is gathered and stored. We protect the truth, the facts that can't be ignored. We bide our time, the perfect moment sought. Like Mike, we're setting up for that perfect shot. We are Tom to your Huck Finn. To your case, we are the linchpin, the do-over for your has-been. You talk, we listen. We fight, you win. Trial work is lawyering with influence. You know us from the phone calls and emails, the how are yous, the details, the stories you bear. We're the attorneys who care. You're not a number in a queue. We walk this journey with you. We're shelter in the storm. We stand in your stead. It's us against them. Success is the byproduct of our relentless pursuit of perfection. So pick up the phone, pull up our reviews, and get on board with the team. We'll light the path and show you what's ahead. We'll pave the way so you can walk where we've led. You bring the struggle, we'll bring the solution. We're Varghese Summersett. There is no substitution.